I hope you're all having a productive day. Today, we're going over the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. Wheel bearings allow your wheels to spin freely while supporting the weight of the vehicle. When one wears out badly, the wheel can literally come off while driving, so it's important not to ignore the warning signs. Symptom number 1. Unusual noises while driving. You might hear a growling, rumbling, or humming sound that gets louder as your speed increases. The noise usually comes from the wheel with the failing bearing. To figure out which side is bad, turn the steering wheel while driving. If you turn right and the noise gets louder, the left front wheel bearing is likely the problem. That's because turning right puts more weight on the left side, increasing pressure on the faulty bearing. Symptom number 2. A loose steering wheel. When a wheel bearing wears out, it creates excess play in the wheel. This is why the steering wheel can feel loose, especially when turning. You'll notice it even more on bumpy or uneven roads. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Symptom number 3. Vibrations in the steering wheel. A damaged bearing can cause the wheel to wobble as you drive, and that wobble transfers through the tie rods and steering rack. The result is a steering wheel that shakes, and the vibration gets worse as you speed up. Symptom number 4. The ABS light turning on. In many vehicles, the ABS sensor is attached to the wheel hub assembly, which also houses the wheel bearing. When the bearing begins to fail, it can cause the ABS light to trigger.